In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Dialogflow chatbot with WordPress. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your WordPress dashboard without getting overwhelmed. The goal here is to get the right chatbot plugin in place so you can begin connecting your site with a Dialogflow powered chat experience. First, go to your WordPress admin area. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can access all of your site settings and tools. If you're managing multiple sections of your website, just take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct site before making any changes. That helps avoid installing a plugin in the wrong place. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. This is the section where WordPress lets you add new functionality to your site, including chatbot tools, SEO features, security add-ons, and more. Since we're working on chatbot integration, this is where everything starts. After opening the plugins area, you'll be ready to search for the tool you need. Next, search for WPOT. In the plugin search bar, type WPBot and wait for the results to load. Be careful to choose the correct plugin, especially if you see several chatbot-related options appear. Plugin names can look similar, so it's always a good idea to quickly double-check that you've selected the one intended for this integration. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later. Once you've found WPBot, click Upgrade and Activate. Depending on your setup, you may see slightly different wording, but the important part is to enable the plugin so it becomes active on your WordPress site. If this is a premium or upgraded version, WordPress may briefly process the installation before activation completes. Just give it a moment and avoid refreshing the page while it finishes. After activation, the plugin is ready to use within your WordPress environment, and that sets the foundation for connecting your chatbot experience. If you don't see the plugin immediately after activating it, refresh the dashboard or look for a new menu item related to WPBot in the sidebar. That's usually a good sign that the installation worked correctly. And that's it for this part of the setup. You've successfully gone into WordPress, opened the plugin section, searched for WPBot, and upgraded, graded, and activated it. These are the essential first steps to integrating a Dialogflow chatbot with your WordPress website.